completed the basic part. If anyone have any doubt about yesterday's lecture, we can discuss it here. Anybody having any doubt about yesterday's lecture? Sandeep sir has uploaded the video of yesterday's lecture regarding formulas which are to be used, but I think no one has seen that video.
So yes, first I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, purchase reversion is there, na, sir?
Yeah.
That formula we cannot calculate that one in Excel directly, sir. So I have tried that 1 by R minus YP single rate.
Ma'am, you cannot access that formula in Excel directly.
Okay.
What you have to do for that?
Single rate, I can. It is
So
possible.
see here, madam. Just hold on. See, madam, we have calculated YP. We can calculate YP in this case also.
YP is possible.
Just hold on. Your rate of interest, it was, I think, 8%.
8%.
Okay. It was 8%. So first it was for 7 years, and then it was for perpetual.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what you can do, your formula is, first formula is 1 upon R.
Into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus R.
Just hold on. Formula is 1 upon R, means 1 divided by
0. Yeah. 8%. That 8%.
12.5.
Yeah.
Okay. And then in the second formula, you can apply PV bracket start. Rate of interest is 8%. Number of years was 7. Okay.
24.
PMT, for PMT, just put 1.
24,000, sir.
Just put 1 here.
Okay.
No FP.
Yeah.
0 bracket close.
Yes.
It is approximately 5.20.
Yes.
Okay, you calculate it. So 12.5 minus 5.20.
Okay.
This is 7.29.
Okay. 1 by 11.
So it is reversion formula is not directly there.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, what you can do, another thing is there.
It is okay, sir. It's okay. It's simple.
Just hold on. Your formula is 1 divided by R minus 1 divided by R bracket start 1 minus
1 divided by
1 divided by 1 plus
R to the power n.
R raised to power this is the formula.
Yes.
And if you open up this bracket, what will be there? It will be equals to 1 divided by R minus 1 divided by R plus
1 by 1 plus R to the power.
divided by R multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus R okay, and this 1 plus R and 1 minus R
Get cancelled.
they will cancel each other. What will be there? It will be 1 divided by R and 1. What is this? 1 divided by 1 plus R. You will be left with only this part. So what is this 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to power n? This is present value. This is present value. So your formula will be equals to, this formula will become PV divided by R. This formula, instead of writing this, you can simply write it as PV divided by R. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. I'll try.
So you find out PV and divide it with R.
Okay.
Instead of doing all this.
Okay, that is easy.
That is easy. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubt? Anyone having any other doubts from yesterday's lecture?
Sir, here that R is capital R we have to take, no? From IC it is taking. Sinking
No,
fund.
sir, it is small r. We are talking about reversion formula, not about dual rate formula.
Sorry, correct.
So one of the, you have asked why it was called single rate, why it is called a dual rate. In dual rate, we are using two rate of interest. And this YP single rate, we are using single rate. Ji Soumya ji.
Ba.
In YP single rate, we are using single capitalization rate, and YP dual rate, we are using two capitalization rate, one remunerative and other accumulative. That is why it is called YP dual rate. And the other one is called YP single rate. It is clear why it is called YP single rate and YP dual rate?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. When we are using single capitalization rate, we call it YP single rate. And why when you are using two capitalization rates, then it is called YP dual rate. Any other doubt from yesterday's lecture? Okay, now we will start with our next topic,